What's up, guys? John Kai, the Hawaii guy. Hey, thank you for joining me on another tour of a property here in Las Vegas. I'm very proud of this particular home because this is a home I help my buyers get into. Now let me tell you a quick backstory. My buyers are clients who first came to me about a year ago. They moved here from Kona on the Big Island to relocate to Las Vegas. And then I got a call 2 months ago saying that they needed to start looking for another home to rent. What I asked them to do is like, hey, let's just go through the process of seeing if you qualify for a home. We're gonna have to pull your credit either way for rental or a mortgage, so let's just go through the steps. And lo and behold, they qualified to purchase a home for about $300,000. So that got us started, and that got them excited because instead of renting another home, they got the idea and the excitement of the prospect of purchasing a home. So we went out and started looking throughout the areas that they wanted to be in. Henderson, Spring Valley, Mountain's Edge, and those areas. And they had, pretty clear needs.
Bath, a minimum requirement, a kitchen because they do like to cook, they wanted gas appliances, so that was pretty critical. They wanted a backyard that they could entertain and invite people over, so a backyard.
And so with that criteria and list, I went out there and started looking for homes for them. And I found one, and you're not gonna believe the price that we got in this house. Under $300,000 in Henderson. Not Hendertucky, but Henderson, the nice area of Henderson. And we're talking off of Eastern and I think it's Wigwam. So really convenient to the 215, a very nice area to be in, and a great starter home. I'm so happy for my clients. And let's get started. All right, talk to you later. Okay guys, this is a neighborhood that this home is located in, 2925 Pine Nut Way, and that's the home, kind of like a Tudor style. Not a real big fan of it, but you could do some upgrades or some changes to really make this home pop. There's some other homes in the neighborhood. If you see that one right there, the blue home with the siding on it, I like that. And that would be a really nice touch on this particular home. It would make it really stand out. So again, single car garage, not a big home, but it's a great starter home. So let's go take a look at the side entry, gate, and let's get back in here. And that's the entry into the home, but let's continue on with the exterior tour first. So you can see it's a really large lot. I mean, it's a 3,049 square feet, but you can do a lot with this. And this tree, a lot of shade trees here, I like it. Raised bed here in the back. And look at all that space. So, put an awning over there, change the sliding doors there, and, maybe that window over there at the kitchen, change that as well. But really a nice home, nice neighborhood. They can do a lot with this. I know they will because they're very creative, very talented. And that raised bed, you can plant all kinds of things over there. So let's go inside. So as you enter in, you take a step up. Stairways go straight up to the bedrooms, all located on the second floor. To the left, gas fireplace, and this is the living room. A lot of natural light coming in, I like it. Good space, upgraded flooring, so they did a little bit of a remodel job here. And straight ahead is the dining area with the sliding door that goes out to the backyard. Look at that, nice little touch there. That's the kitchen. So it's a workable kitchen, really, again, starter home, nice size. Not gonna be disappointed with making dinner in this kitchen. Straight ahead is the laundry, so gas appliances, again, stainless steel refrigerator. There's a powder room here underneath the stairway. So 2.5 baths, so basically 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. My error on that. Let's continue on. So this would be the laundry area, so they need to get their own washer dryer. That door goes out to the single car garage. We had the seller make some repairs. Had to replace the furnace, which was costly, but that was at the seller expense. Fixed the garage door springs, also at the seller expense. Let's get upstairs. They're gonna love this home. I'll tell you what, great place to lay your roots, get started. So to the left, 2 bedrooms, decent size actually. I'll lay out all the specs on the screen here shortly. Closet, natural light coming in. Storage. Another secondary bedroom. Probably an office for them. And straight ahead, bathroom that services these 2 bedrooms. Good job on the remodel here. And then we have the master bedroom. Really decent sized master. Windows, walk-in closet, and decent master bath. A sink, toilet stand, your shower. It's good to have the bathrooms so close together because, you know, hey, somebody's using one, you can use the other. And that's the stairway again. So you got this little shelf here to put your some decorative items. That little sunburst or porthole window. Walk back downstairs. And there you have it, folks. Short and sweet. And sweet home for sure. I'm so happy for my clients. They're going to be ecstatic to be in this home before the holidays. Perfect timing for them. Wedding anniversary coming up. New granddaughter on the way. Things are turning out really nice for this couple. Great family, good people. Very happy to help them. And I know they'll be extremely pleased once they get into this home and make this house a home.
How's it, everybody? I'm John. This is my wife Marvine, my little man Stitch. This is an amazing journey that we've been on, and we have John Kai to thank for it. About 1.5 years ago, I came up here for a job interview. They hired me on the spot. We turned to John to find a rental because the ball started rolling for our move from Hawaii here. He was able to lock something in for us at the last minute. Been at that rental about 1.5 years, like I said, and our lease was coming up. So we got a hold of John again to help us find another spot. And just for kicks and giggles, he suggested that we just try and pre-qual, see what we pre-qualed for. Lo and behold, we got a decent pre-qual, and he's like, kind of took us out of our comfort zone, and instead of looking for rentals, we were house shopping. We were able to close on this beautiful home on our 19th anniversary. Right on, John. Thank you very much. And this was a great anniversary present for us, and we couldn't be happier. If you ever need a rental or even, you know, house shopping, step out of your comfort zone, see John. He's the man.
I'm excited for my clients, and I know they are. And we're anticipating closing on the 30th. Hopefully we can do it on the 28th, because guess what? The 28th is their wedding anniversary. How awesome would that be if they could close on the day of their wedding anniversary? Everything's falling into place. All because they decided to work with John Kai, the Hawaii guy.